What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Flare, which has taken a little bit of a dip. As you guys can see, it has hit a red candle today after about a week, and it is down just over 6%, currently trading at 0.04751 cents. So we're going to be looking at, is it going to pump anytime soon? Is this dip that's taking place temporary? Is it going to crash back down further? So essentially we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at what is the best option right now. Is it to buy it, is it to sell it, or is it simply to hold on to it? And also going through its prediction over the short term and the long term in 2024, looking at what can we expect from Flare as well. As you guys can see, it has been performing very well since last November guys. It has been consistently gaining value. Yes, it has hit red candles in between, but overall it has been moving towards the positive direction. So we're going to be looking at what is next for Flare. Can it potentially hit 10 cents anytime soon as well? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and we've got the purple line running across the chart here, giving us the average value of Flare, which is here in purple, and the crypto is actually trading at a higher value here in red, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from Flare over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, the crypto should be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. However, pumps are also in between likely to take place, so green candles and red candles, just like how it's been over the last couple of hours. But the overall outcome seems to take a little bit more of a drop. Reason being is it has been pumping quite a bit. It has taken a little bit of a break, shall I say, or a little bit of a dip, and it is likely to drop down a little bit further before it pumps back up again. However, as mentioned, over the next 12 to 14 hours, do expect minimal drops in value. Moving on to the hourly chart. Now we are still looking bearish, heading towards a negative direction, but in this case, as you guys can clearly see, the blue and the orange line are looking very steep, heading towards the bearish direction. So according to the graph, a major drop in value is what is expected. However, this is not realistic. The only reason they're looking so steep is because of the major drop that's been taking, well, not really major, but because of the drop that's been taking place. But over the next 7 to 8 days, so by mid next week, I am expecting Flare to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially heading over near about hitting 7 cents in value is where I'm expecting Flare to be heading towards by mid next week. So early March guys, Flare should be heading to around the 7 cents value is what my expectations are. But in between that time, do expect dips and red candles as well. Now, moving on to the daily chart over the next couple of weeks. Now we have taken a complete U-turn compared to the last chart. We have the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction, and again looking quite steep as well. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late April 2024, I am expecting Flare to be heading upwards towards the bullish side, and it should be essentially heading over the 10 cents value is what my expectations are. This is has been my expectation in my previous Flare updates as well, and I still stand by that. So 10 cents should be hit by mid to late April is what my expectations are. However, if there are any changes to that, for example a major crash or a major bull run or a price bump, anything that can cause this, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload, and more importantly to stay in the loop on my predictions and takes on not just Flare but the cryptocurrencies that I cover on this channel on a regular basis. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the top tier level here and have been trading there for the last 3 to 4 days, and I'm expecting it to drop down a little bit further down to around the resistance value here, which is around 0.036 cents, and then bounce back up by mid to late March. So it should be bouncing back off the resistance value here and then pumping back up in value. However, the Bitcoin halving is happening in April, so this may have a major impact on its value, which again I will keep you guys updated on closer to that time. As I get more data and more analysis into it, I will be making a video on what to expect from the crypto market when the Bitcoin halving takes place, as it would definitely have an impact on it. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume has dropped down over 50% in the last 24 hours, making it $58 million, guys. Reason being is Flare has more or less been consistently gaining value over the last week. As you guys can see, 40% up, and over the month over 100%, guys. So as soon as it takes a dip, a lot of people start to panic and stop trading the crypto, and that is what's happened here with the trading volume going down 53%. So most people are just holding back right now, waiting for it to either pump up further or to drop down further so that they can buy the dip. But they're still interested into the crypto as to what's likely to happen next. So let me know in the comment section down below, what are your takes on Flare for 2024? What are your predictions, guys? And let me know, when are you guys expecting this crypto to hit the 10 cents target, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And also on the positive side, Bitcoin did hit over $57,000 earlier this morning, which is an exciting news for the crypto market, as it's getting very close to hitting a new all-time high. And if it does, then you guys already know what is likely to take place in the crypto market. But again, every day I upload videos on what to expect from the market and so on, so make sure you guys stay subscribed. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and it means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.